Converting raw metrics into actionable insights requires understanding what your content quality data is telling you. Let's explore how to interpret these measurements and identify the patterns that matter most for your property's success. Understanding content impact starts with establishing clear correlations. When analyzing content quality scores against conversion rates, successful properties typically find that comprehensive content directly influences booking decisions. Consider a luxury hotel that tracked their content completeness over a 6 month period. They discovered that room types with detailed amenity lists and professional photography converted far better in comparison to those with basic descriptions and limited visuals. Rate content analysis reveals particularly interesting patterns. Properties often discover that rate plan clarity has a more significant impact than promotional pricing. For instance, a city center hotel analyzed their rate plan performance and found that clearly structured rates with obvious value progression converted 30% better than discounted rates with unclear terms. When examining your rate content data, pay special attention to those indicators. Moving on, your mobile rate display performance often tells a different story than desktop metrics. We frequently see properties achieving strong desktop conversion rates while experiencing high mobile abandonment. This usually indicates formatting issues in how rate information sometimes displays on smaller screens. Look for sharp differences between mobile and desktop conversion rates as your first indicator of display problems. Seasonal content relevance patterns provide another crucial layer of insight. Properties that adjust their content to reflect seasonal offerings typically see 15 to 20% higher engagement during peak periods. For example, ski resorts that update their rate plan names and descriptions to highlight winter sports packages during season see significantly higher click through rates compared to generic year round content. When examining your data, watch for some of the common red flags. These include quick dips in content and quality scores, and these should be investigated promptly and addressed. Sometimes this can happen as a result of OTA algorithm updates as well. Ongoing monitoring and good relationships with OTA market managers can help preempt these unpleasant surprises. Rate parity inconsistencies create another critical warning signal. Regular audits often reveal that properties unknowingly display different rates across channels, leading to trust issues with potential guests. It's also sometimes caused by poor distribution behavior by an OTA or by a wholesaler leaking unbundled rates. Track the frequency of these disparities and their impact on conversion rates to prioritize resolution efforts. In competitive analysis, look beyond simple price comparisons. Historical data shows that hotels outperforming their competitive set typically excel in three areas. They maintain rate consistency across third party channels, provide clear upgrade paths between room types, and effectively communicate unique value propositions in their rate plan structures. The interpretation of mobile desktop disparities deserves special attention. When properties discover that their mobile conversion rates lag significantly behind desktop, it often indicates technical content issues rather than pricing problems. For instance, a beach resort found the mobile abandonment rate was 40% higher than desktop, and the investigation revealed that their rate plan inclusions were truncated on mobile displays, leaving potential guests uncertain about value inclusions. Remember that regional variations can significantly impact how you interpret your content effectiveness. What works in one market might underperform in another. Urban properties often find that detailed cancellation policies drive higher conversion rates, while resort properties see better results emphasizing value and inclusions in their rate descriptions.